So for our first laser demonstration, this is welding a pin into a watch. You can use the laser, so I've got a steel pin in there that doesn't friction fit. So by shooting right between where the pin is in the hole, you can see that the laser just welds the two together. And on this side with the larger gap, I can actually use stainless steel wire as a medium to fill in the gaps around the pin.
Back. Yep.
So now that we've added all of our stainless steel brays, you can adjust your beam intensity and width to kind of preemptively smooth out your weld so there's less cleanup.